This is new construction, so I'll show you what happens. I try not to razor blade these windows because they're tempered glass and there's no paint debris on them. Polish. I only use that much. I try to make a couple passes over the window. Then I always wipe the frames off. And these black frames are the worst. They show everything. Missed a spot. A lot of times on new construction, after you squeegee the window off, you'll just find stuff that you don't like. So you'll either have to go back over the window or come back and polish it with some steel wool. Done. I'll check it over before I leave.